So around this corner you should be able to see St George's Church. Yeah, there it is. And just here, the library, bar and lounge, used to be called Oliver's. In college days we used to drink there all the time, it was brilliant. Stunning place that. No, we're facing the sun here. Yeah. Well, if you want a hat, this is where you get your hats from.
Yeah, this is the best store.
Best hats in Doncaster, these.
Yes.
How much are they?
What do you want?
Just,
From prices?
yeah. Just so I know on video, you see.
Yeah,
Go to one.
£10?
Yeah.
Is that all?
That's not bad.
Interesting.
Not bad.
I didn't hear him. What have we got here, look? So this used to be a jeweller's, this. I can smell this down there, you know. It smells nice. Oh, look at these cakes here, look. Reflection I can't see properly. Yeah. Oh, pizzas as well, look. Yeah, it used to be a jeweller's, this. This is a new bar and all. Coffee bar, is it? French Gate. Yeah, it's a lot better. Yeah, gym group. Yeah. So then pit tops we walk on. These are Markham Main. We've been to that one. Anything interesting, really?
You from Donny?
Yeah, mate. So what do you do here?
Coffee shop. Scene. We are a conversational coffee shop. We spread a bit of positivity. We go live every day on TikTok, 12 till 2. Try and make Doncaster positive, really.
I have seen you on YouTube.
Yeah, YouTube.
Yeah.
Charlie Veach. Charlie Veach's
Guessing
YouTube videos. Yeah.
Oh yeah, Charlie's been here, hasn't he?
Charlie's been here. Lots of different YouTubers and
Yeah.
stuff. But yeah,
Yeah,
just
sound.
try and make Donny a bit more positive.
I'd have a coffee, but I've just had one.
Don't worry, mate.
Next
don't worry.
time,
Next
I'll
time,
come, yeah.
pop down here. We do good coffees.
Nice
Not
one.
these two people will tell
Yeah,
you.
yeah. Nice to meet you anyway.
Nice to meet you, mate. What's your name?
John.
John Aaron. Nice to meet you.
Nice
John.
to meet you,
Take
buddy.
it easy,
Catch you later, pal.
What you want? What channel?
YouTube.
YouTube. What you called?
John Scenes.
John.
Scenes.
Scenes.
S.
SCENES. Like a scene.
Like here.
Yeah, perfect, yeah.
Yes.
That's the one.
That is
Just put John's in front.
Put John in front.
Just put John in front.
John scene, and that's it. We're good.
Perfect.
Just put John in front, and then John scene.
I'll take half at profit.
John scene. Get him on.
I never noticed that. Right, have a good one. See you later. I never noticed that. He's always getting filmed in. I'm just going to go to this bin. So yeah, Donny is actually full of really nice buildings. Are the Victorian buildings? I'm not very good at history.
I'd say.
But yeah, there's plenty of nice buildings. But too many people concentrate on what's below them.
Yeah.
It's absolutely full of stunning architecture. But when people do, like I said, come and film, they just sort of like film what's at bottom.
But then why don't you just meet me in town as well?
That used to be Walkabouts, nightclub.
Yeah.
Used to be a good club, that. Now it's a trainer shop. Been here forever, this. Look at these cakes here, look. Nice.
17 quid.
Big cakes then, 40 quid for them big uns. Yeah. Nice cafe, that. Coffee house. Music around here, so I'm gonna have to quit filming. Lord Nelson there. Dope burger, looks bang on that. Sweet. No. It's when you've had you can have a burger. I mean, I've got to admit, there's a lot of places shut down though, I will admit that. You know what I mean? You can't lie of what your camera sees.
No, I get
Pepe's. But this on a weekend is like cameras going high again. It's like Benidorm stripped down there now on a night. Yeah. No, it is now. Because if you look, they've made paths wider. Yeah. We're gonna. There's music everywhere.
it. If she wasn't crossing over quick enough, so he haunted her.
Of course, it's a car park. Every building they knock down, it turns into a car park.
There used to be yeah, she wasn't crossing quick enough.
I know.
She was like,
I don't know if I caught that on camera. I'll have to have a look back.
yeah, probably, I don't know.
Music again. Yorkshire Great's always packed in there. Cactus Jacks. This has been here for years as well. Hopefully we don't get copyright. Rockahula Tika Bar. There's also a Benidorm bar down here as well. I'm hoping I don't get copyrighted. Mañana, mañana. Here we are, Benidorm bar. Yeah, it definitely looks different when you're not out. Oh, Donny Smash is still here, that burger bar. at burger place. Oh, relish will be here forever. They make too much money. What's that called? Is it Lalazar? Lalazar, something like that. Yeah. Another Star Shop. Yeah, go and get a drink then. Yeah, you. I'm just gonna have a look. I'll have a Fanta. Oh, there we go.
And that one, please.
$2.90 please.
How are we doing today? You all right?
Thank you very much.
The amount of times I see your shop on YouTube, you know, because
Really?
at night time when people film and that.
Here,
Yeah. This one and there's one round corner as well.
never knew that.
Yeah.
You're famous. Well, you shop this anyway.
You see, I'm here.
Nice to meet you, buddy.
Nice to meet you.
You have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
So his shop is Star Shop. So if you come in Doncaster, give him a check. Thank you very much. See you later. See ya. Right, we'll go back down here then. Go back round Market Way. Relish Ovett Road. It's a bit expensive there, but it's nice. Another stop shop. There's a shop there called Humpty Dumpty. Right, we'll have a... It's a nice van. Yeah, Humpty Dumpty. If my gimbal will let me see it, I don't think you can see it from here. Is that what it is? Ah. Asian restaurant. Cool. Yeah. Oh, wrapping it up here, look. Just stand there waving. Hey up, mate. Oh, is this your shop? Oh, we're just gonna go. Back to Market, look. So this area here, this opened, this is more of a nightlife, isn't it? So this will open up at night, this get really busy. A lot of people come to Donny and, oh, it's quiet, but it does open at night. Yeah, it's a stunning building, this. I can't remember what you call it though. Corn exchange or something. So yeah, we're back at the beginning. Yeah. Mason's Arms, Shelby, Temple. See what I mean? You see the buildings on top?
Yeah.
You don't really look at them, do you? There it is again, look.
And I suppose I made the main part of the market look pretty.
Not sin. Yeah, it's a nice place, that. Yeah, it looks nice, that, doesn't it? Yeah, but yeah, in here is there's a lot of like food stalls. I can't see because of the reflection. Yeah, you can't see. Oh, you're there. Right, that's summer Donny anyway. Summer Donny, not all the Donny. Some's enough. Some is enough. Premier in there, look, just outside the car park. Yeah, we're alright, that Royal Air Force, what would you call it? Just like a show thing, isn't it?
Expedition?
Yeah.
Not expedition,
Yeah. So there's Premier Inn just behind us, look. If you want to come to Donny and have a night out, it's cheap enough.